Assalamu alaikum to everyone. Welcome back to Mathematics Point. Students, today we will do chapter 3 and SM1 basic algebra and algebraic manipulation. And the thing that we will do today is very interesting, and that is word problem of exercise 3A. Now move towards the question. So here we have a very cute masoom si word problem, that is of question 11. Raj is 12 years year old. His son was born when he was 9 years old. Find Raj's age is 5 years later and find the sum of their ages in 5 years time. So first of all, you have to understand the word problem, that what is the present age. Present age of Raj is 12 years old. So your first statement should be present age of Raj, and write down the present age quickly, that is 12 meter. Now when his son was born, he was 9 years old. Okay, when his son was born, at that time Raj's age was 9 m. Now if we want to find the his son age, so what is need to do, what is the Raj's present age, that is 12 m, and what was his age at that time. At that time his age was 9 m. So when we subtract 12 minus 9, so the year came, that is 3. It will be his son age. Now what is need to find this question? Find Raj's age after 5 years. As present his age is 12, so after 5 years, 5 साल के बाद, just add 5 years in 12 plus 5, so the answer will be his age after 5 years. Now find the sum of their ages in 5 years time. Okay, in 5 years, what will be his and his son age? Now start the question. So we just simplify the question. Raj is 12 years. Okay, first statement should be Raj is 12 years old. That means present age of Raj what is it? 12 years old. Okay, his son was born when he was 9 years old. Okay, okay, when his son was born, that means his son age son's present age is equal to, now the Raj age is 12. When his son was born, at that time his age was 9. When we subtract 12 m minus 9 m, so answer will be 3 m. That means now the present age of Raj's son is 3 m. How so? Because अब आपके पास राज की एज कितनी है? 12 है. जब राज की एज, जब उसका बेटे की बर्थ हुई थी, राज की एज कितनी थी? 9. तब उसके बेटे की बर्थ के टाइम तो कुछ एज कुछ घंटों कुछ मिनट्स की होगी. सो आप जब राज की एज की प्रेजेंट एज को 9 ईयर से करेंगे, दैट्स मीन कि अब तक कितने साल गुजर चुके हैं? 3. तो उसकी बेटी की एज कितनी हो जाएगी? 3. 3 सालों बाद 3 ईयर्स, 3 m. नाउ व्हाट इज नीड टू डू आफ्टर 5 ईयर्स या 5 ईयर्स लेटर, व्हाट विल बी द एज ऑफ राज? प्रेजेंट एज आपकी उसकी 12 है. सो 5 ईयर्स लेटर, 5 साल के बाद, सपोज आपकी अभी प्रेजेंट एज है, मेरी प्रेजेंट एज अगर सपोज कर लेते हैं 25 है, तो 5 ईयर्स लेटर, 5 सालों के बाद मेरी कितनी एज होगी? उसमें 5 मैं ऐड करके बता दूंगी. आपकी एज 10 है, तो अगर आपसे कोई पूछे आफ्टर 5 ईयर्स व्हाट विल बी योर एज, तो आप क्या करोगे? 10 में 5 ऐड कर दोगे. सेम इज दैट, Raj's present age is 12 and after 5 years या 5 years later, राज की एज कितनी हो जाएगी? 12 m plus 5. ठीक है. And same is that after 5 years his son age will be Now the present age of his son is 3m. After 5 years it will be 5. 3m plus 5. Okay, now we have to find, in the second part is find the sum. Okay, whenever there is a word comes sum, that means we have to add the things. Now after 5 years the sum of their ages will be, so after 5 years the sum of their ages, after 5 years Raj age will be 12m plus 5 and his son age will be plus 3m plus 5. So here it is his son age and here it is the Raj's age. Now after 5 years when we sum up their ages, so it will become 12m plus 5 plus 3m plus 5. Now first of all we have the range the variables of same terms with same variable, 12m plus 3m, 5 plus 5, so 12 plus 3 15m plus 10. So here is the sum of their ages after 5 years. So that is done with done with practice now. Question 11. Now we'll do the question 12. Here we have question 12. Hussein wrote 8 books at $W each and 7 pens of $M each. She had 3W plus 5M left. So what the amount of money she had at first? Okay, there's two things that she bought 8 books at price W each and 7 pen of price M each. Now here's the amount that is left behind, so we have to find the total that she have at the first. Okay, she bought 8 books of $W each, so that's mean each book price is W. Now she bought 8 books, so we have multiply 8 with W, so 8 multiply $W. She bought 7 pen and each pen price is $M. Now multiply 7 with $M. Now here are the two amounts that she spent for her shopping. Now what is left in amount? The left amount is $3W plus 5M. Now here the amount that she spent for buying the books, here the amount that she spent for pens, and here the amount that is left behind. So we have to find the amount that she has firstly. That means the total of this amount before any shopping and before any spending, what the actual amount she have. So for that we have to add all the amount that she had first. So for that we have to add all the amount. 8 multiplied by $W, that means 8W plus 7 multiplied by $M, and what is left behind that is plus $3W plus 5M. Now first of all we have to multiply this, as dollars the currency sign, so it is $8W, then 7M dollar, and now we open the bracket, $3W, and what is next, that is $5M. Now we solve the terms with same variable W and W. Rearrange the terms, $8W plus $3W, then $7M plus $5M. 8 plus 3 is $11, W plus 5 plus 7, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So 12 M dollar. So 11 W plus 12 M, and take the dollar common, and it is the answer, and it is the total amount that she had firstly. So student, it is all about your question 11 and 12 word problem. Still, if there is any problem in understanding of the question statement, so you put your query in the comment box. I hope so that you understand this question. And students, if you didn't subscribe the channel, so kindly subscribe the channel, press the bell icon, and also like this video. Take care. Allah Hafiz.